Hello kings, queens, and royals in between. My name is Joe, and this is my channel. Yo, it sure is. And in today's video, I'm gonna be doing this gray foundation with blue ears and blue nose, or maybe blue contour on the nose, and nowhere else. It's good, and then it's gonna be gray contour everywhere else because it's gray foundation. My dog's eating food in here. Not really loving the shirt choice today, but my only green striped shirt I wore in the last video, and I'm not doing a repeat. Nobody cares but me. I care. All right, here's where we're at. I don't have a gray foundation, so it took me a while to mix some gray face paints and a little bit of black face paint and a white foundation together, and here's where I am. And also the blue. I have blue foundation. The powder puff was a little bit wet, so the powder got a little bit muddy. I don't know, dude. Let's go. I gotta be careful because I used one of the hair clips to scoop out some face foundation, some face paint. So I'm gonna use the other ones in my hair so they don't get stained. I just wiped my finger. Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers paint palette. If I just used this, I think I would have been fine, or just like mix these two together. But I didn't, so I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did to get where I am. But up here, for some reason, I used the same amount of black as I did gray. I don't know why I expected that to just make gray, not just really dark gray, almost black. Not how that works. Science. I have a problem with proportions. That's why I can't draw. A chunk just fell on my foot. I'm mixing too chaotically, I guess. Somehow I got the perfect match to this, even though I set with white powder and then went over top with a different gray eyeshadow. I don't know. No, I forgot. Luckily for me, I brought my rag. I'm going to be doing a blue nose, I decided, because last video I did purple contour. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Does anybody care we're at the highest point in Greece? Drew. Now, I'm gonna clean this up. Wet rag. That was my nickname in college. I'm just kidding. I didn't go to college. Hang on. I don't know what. Sunset makeup, light blue. It doesn't, A2411. You can't see that. Just a little squirt. Wait, guys, I'm actually having fun now. Blending it in with this brush instead of a sponge because I don't want to grab another sponge to clean later. Is there some missing, or am I wrong? Like right here. Oh. Okay, setting the blue first because I learned from last time I did remember the orange and then the green? I'm saying I learned from last time. It's literally inconsequential. Anyways. Guys, I remember this time before I actually started setting. This is not a false alarm. Wait. What am I? This is not a drill. There we go. I wanted to cream blush, actually. I remembered before I made a mistake. I made a mistake. The whole reason I brought my freaking wet rag in this room. If my face is different shades of gray, blame it on the lighting. Since I'm doing a magenta blush, this, you guys remember? I think I'm just gonna do this light purple on the nose and cheeks and chin. No. Was I supposed to do pink? Was it supposed to be pink? I should have paid attention in school, I think. Wait, guys, I'm having fun. Oh, it didn't click. Now I'm gonna set the blue nose and then the green face. Blue foundation nose, gray foundation face. Does this match? I think it matches. Thanks, guys. I'm here once a week. Now, I'm gonna spray my face with setting spray and then fan it and then put on highlighter. Okay, guys, you already know what it is. It's time to highlight. I just remembered that I have a Fenty cream blush that I could have used, and it would have been good for the algorithm if I tagged. Shut your mouth. Makeup Revolution, London, Makeup Revolution. Why do I keep getting gray on my fingers? I think I'm just becoming a gray person. Hopefully that's not disrespectful to say to any community. For contour, the only Wait, is this a little bit too green? This is a dark green. I thought it was a gray. I thought there was a gray that I could use. But these are all cool tone browns. Oops. I might use a tiny little bit of I might use a tiny little bit of black eyeshadow to contour. That's really hard to blend. Just ask Mayhem Miller in 2018. She used to contour with black eyeshadow. Maybe she still does. I don't know. Guys, would anybody care if I skip contouring? I don't want to risk messing this up worse than I already have. I think I'm just going to skip it. I don't think it really matters because I have bangs. The blush, I'm going to do this magenta color or fuchsia. What's the difference? Oh, I'm loving that. Oh, I'm loving that profusely. It is a little more purple than I originally had planned, but that's okay. Plans change. I was gonna do like blue, and I've always said that. I don't want to talk about it. All right, I did both brows and one eye off camera, and I'm feeling, just making sure I'm in shot, feeling good, feeling all right. I'm gonna have to see both eyes done, and then the lashes, and then I'll decide if I like it. I wish the gems popped more, a little bit more lime, but this is what I have, and I'm having fun still, so that's all that matters. Green cream eyeshadow. Do that. Or you're not following along, but I'm doing that on the eye. Just a quick little boop boop. Doesn't matter the color because you're gonna go over top with like 3 different eyeshadows. Also, I don't even know if I need this, TBH. The green was showing up on the gray already. ABH Norvina Collection, Volume 3. Pro Pigment Palette, Volume 3. Looks like this. And I'm gonna start with E1. Just stamping it on the lid. Like so. Like that. And that's how it starts. See how I'm using no cream? I just want a light wash. And then it's the same amount of pigmented. So I don't know. I'm just doing what I think I should be doing. And now in the crease, I'm gonna go in with A4, this one, and then A1 after. A little gradient moment, and it's gonna be gradient. Going on the lid with an actual Eye Safe glitter. I don't know why I'm saying that. All my glitters are Eye Safe. This lash glue, the squirty kind, sorry. Tube kind, whatever. On the lid. And originally I didn't have a glitter in mind, but then I saw that this was in my green gems bag. And I've never used it before, I don't think. So here I am now. It's from BH Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Shamrock. I could have guessed that. Only following my natural eyelid, my natural bone crease sculpt structure. Oh, just knocked some glitter onto the floor. Look at this. You can actually buy this if they still sell it, I don't know. It's from the glitter collection. Loose glitter. Now, these little star gems that I adore, and then you'll see the black ones if I get on Big Brother, because I already have a look planned out for my, like, hey guys, this is who I am before I walk in the door. This is from Halsey's brand, AF94, AH94, whatever it's called, as a gift from a friend that I'm not friends with anymore, so she's not my friend. Boop, 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 boop. As symmetrical as they can be, considering. Now, the man of the hour, the man, the myth, the legend, purple lashes. I'm gonna be doing these ones, and I'm gonna try a thing where I don't put on any mascara, because my mascaras don't match the lashes that I took so much time to dye concealer on top of them and then pack a lot of eyeshadow on top of them, so it was a lot of work. I'm gonna see how that looks. Hopefully you don't see my lashes underneath them, right? These are from, I don't know. Hope that helps. These random bottom lashes from, I don't even remember. I do remember, and I just don't want to say it because I'm ashamed. They look like this. They're gonna look like this when I put them on. Oh, and they actually match. Yeah. That's amazing and beautiful and stunning. And I'm not gonna think about the fact that when I blink, my entire eyeball itches. I'm gonna be putting some yellow lipstick on with some brown lip liner. Do as I say, not as it seems that I do. And make that grammatically correct in your head. Did I just do a look with yellow lipstick and a brown lip liner recently? I did. But when you see this video, it'll be long enough since then, and I'll have other looks posted to space it apart. Also, repeat it after me. Nobody cares. You don't have to do that last part. For some reason, it didn't occur to me that yellow lipstick would look natural on this Muppet foundation situation that I've started to do. But I'm still gonna do the brown lip liner. Maybe I'll omit it next time I wanna do orange. Blending it now. And by blending it, I mean I'm putting a yellow metallic lipstick on top. Despite all the love you lose. Freaking eyelash. Anyways, I'm going to, and I'll see you there. Is this the one with the gray face paint on it? All right. I'm thinking these green butterfly clips and these earrings. They're baby food bottle caps that I bought from eBay because I don't know any babies personally, and put a gem in the center and then hot glue on the inside so I could easily glue it to my ear. Did I mention that I don't wear earrings anymore? I don't have any, like, I do have piercing holes, but I just glue them on with lash glue. I just expected you guys to be here from my channel already, be like previous fans or whatever. I want to do 3 on each side, a little bit more in the front. That's what I think. It matters so much. I do think I have done a look with these earrings before. Not this color, but I have a bunch of different ones that I don't quite remember how to put them on the ear. I just think that the baby food caps, because I learned this during my job working at a grocery store. I just thought the caps looked so fun as an earring. So here we are, ethically sourced. I just felt like defending myself. Even though nobody cares, nobody has ever confronted me. I just wanted to make it clear that I'm not buying baby food for myself just to make earrings out of the caps, because babies need that food. Babies need that formula. Babies need that baby oil. Guys, y'all know who I'm talking about. And it's like, cool, you're shiny, but I'm not talking about Naomi Smalls. Naomi, please don't block me. I like watching from head to toe. Can you guys tell my lashes are wonky? Okay, my ears hurt, so I'm gonna move on. Nope. So it's because there's so much freaking foundation on my ears and powder and eyeshadow and setting spray. Nope. I didn't do setting spray this time. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe it's a bad thing. Much to consider. Okay. All right, let me wrap this up before it falls down again. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've... This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that I took to get here. Please consider liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I'm only gonna say it once. So I hope you get it through your thick skull. I'm just kidding, and I'm also sorry. I'll see you guys next time. And with that, okay, bye.